Yeah, you know. Big up, honorable Bobs here. Don't know the thing though. One rock, one Jamaica, one Bob Marley. Hear that? To the whole wide world. So because I love the queen so much, I share my icon. I love the crown when she walk on. So I say I'm gonna worship her, I'm worship her. Hear that? She is the reason why I do clean, conscious music. These artists, so I say. So this one is dedicated to all lioness in the house and know so y'all rise in the footsteps of these. Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoa! Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoa, well. When the roll is called up, pull up that. Hey! Yes, man, I love His Majesty and prayer. Are you ready? Are you ready? I love you, Auntie Marcia, yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Whoa, 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 well, Lord. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. When the roll is called up, I'll be standing taller to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We'll be taking care of all the children thereof. If it's required, we lay upon the front line. Sing! Calling, I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never come out. A lioness is on the rise, don't you ever run down. Never say never, willingness forever to fight and be strong. Once it's for better and righter, be letter and moving right along. So till the so we are rolling the punches, accept changes, work with the formula, we do what we want to. So you fit just go. I love you so much. Thank you, Auntie Marcia. Yeah. Whoa. Automatic. When you're loving me like this, and I'm so glad we've got it. Automatic. May the spirit of Brother Bob Marley live, live his music, his message forever to teach.